Hello YouTube, this is Drew with another dash cam drive through another town in South Carolina. Today we are visiting the town of Coward. Yes, like someone afraid to fight or something like that, but Coward, South Carolina in Florence County. This was my last stop on this particular trip. It's not the last video from this trip that I'll make it to YouTube though. I got two more, but I am going directions to the house after this, so you may get a different ride through Coward than you expected. Anyway, Coward has a website, townofcoward.com, and let me just read to you how they bill themselves on there. It says, a quiet, peaceful place. Truly does describe Coward, South Carolina, located on US 52, approximately 12 miles south of Florence. Coward is a small town with a lot to offer, conveniently located within reasonable driving distance of some of South Carolina's best vacation spots like Myrtle Beach, Columbia, and Charleston. Found within the town limits are reasonably priced local restaurants, local retail businesses, and J.C. Lynch Elementary School. The area surrounding the town of Coward is rich in history and natural beauty. One of the favorite local attractions just a short drive from the town is Lynch's River County Park, which covers approximately 676 acres along the Lynch's River. Towering cypress trees and sand hills make this park popular with visitors who come for the great camping, canoeing, and walks on the scenic nature trail. So obviously Coward is in the business of marketing itself, and it wants your tourist dollar, which is not a bad idea at all, because these small towns especially, they have to survive somehow, and if you can siphon off some of those tax dollars, you will be in a lot better shape. They have two events listed on their website, which is the Coward Harvest Festival, which is in September, and Christmas in the Park, which offers free hot chocolate and coffee and visits from Santa and his elves. So that's pretty interesting. Cool. They have a pretty nice and modern looking website, which a lot of the small towns like Coward don't have. Let's see if we can find out a little bit more information. Coward's population is 751 according to Google. That's the estimation. It was 752 at the 2010 census. So they have estimated lost one person in the last 13 years. I think just like Lane, we've probably seen just about every home in the town, though, with this particular episode of the series. But anyway, guys, this was Coward, South Carolina, in Florence County.